Most business YouTube channels are missing a channel trailer, and this is going to slow the growth of your channel. But why is it important, and what should you include in your channel trailer? If this is your first time watching one of our videos, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell as we release weekly videos teaching you how to grow your business profits using video marketing. A channel trailer appears at the top of a YouTube channel for anyone that hasn't subscribed yet. But what is it for? If a viewer has watched one of your videos and enjoyed your content, one of the first things that they're going to do is click on your channel to see what other content you have for them. The first thing they see will be your channel art, and if you're not sure about what to include in your channel art, check out this video here. As they scroll down, the next thing that's going to jump out at them is the channel trailer. The purpose of a channel trailer is to give your viewers a reason to subscribe. But what should you include? You need to let them know what types of content you're going to produce, how that content is going to help solve their problems, and how often you are going to be releasing your content. Don't worry, the channel trailer doesn't have to be lengthy. It shouldn't be any longer than a minute. Let's use my favorite example, a dog training center. So your trailer could sound like this. Hi, welcome to Dave's Dog Training. We've been helping owners like you train their dogs for over 12 years. Do you struggle to teach your dog new tricks or commands? You've just adopted a new dog and you need help teaching them the basics. Or maybe your dog's got a few naughty habits that you need to try and teach out of them. You've come to the right channel. Each week we give you simple and easy to follow training that will quickly turn your dog into the perfect companion. Subscribe and ring the bell to start your journey to dog training excellence. So let's break this down. We start with a couple of lines about who we are and why you should trust us. Next, we address a few common problems that your viewers will have by asking them questions that they will relate to. Then we show the viewer how we're going to overcome these problems and move forward. Lastly, we finish by asking the viewer to subscribe and ring the bell. If you don't know what ring the bell means, then check out this video here. Bonus tip: for a stronger call to action, you could include an end screen which tells your viewers what content they should watch first. Not sure on how to create an end screen? Check out this video here. End screens work the best when they tell the viewers why they should watch the video. For an example of this, stick around to the end of this video. So how do you get a trailer onto your channel? First, create and upload your video. Add end screens and fill out any extra details. You can then have your video as either unlisted, which means it'll only appear on your channel page, or you can make it public so that it will be found in search results. Now, starting on the YouTube homepage, click your logo in the top right and click Your Channel. Next, click the blue Customize Channel button in the top right. Make sure the tab for new visitors is selected. You should now see a button for Add Channel Trailer. This will bring up a list of all your uploaded videos. Select your video and click Save, and you are done. A channel trailer appears on your channel for any viewers that haven't subscribed yet. A good channel trailer should address your viewers' problems, show how your videos are the solution, and ask them to subscribe. What's the best channel trailer that you have seen? Leave a link in the comments so that I can check it out, and if you've enjoyed this video, then please give it a like. If you want to learn how to customize the rest of your YouTube channel, click this video here. If you want to learn how to get your videos to the top of YouTube search results, click this playlist here, and click here to subscribe to catch our weekly videos all about growing your business profits through video marketing.